Hi, my name's Kieran Poole. I run the pre-packing section at Murray Brothers. We manage all the Coles, Woolworths, Aldi packing. I've been with Murray Brothers since 2008, so that's 13 years I've been in the industry. So Murray Brothers started in 1921 and we've been in the fruit industry for over 100 years and we're one of the leaders in the industry. A great company to work for, a very great environment, great people, always very friendly and good to get along with. Definitely have a very good relationship with a lot of our customers. Just recently we purchased some packing machines from JTech Systems. We got the RO1 machine, which is the clipping machine. We specialise packing our avocados through that machine. And we find it's the best machine for that produce, being a soft drop produce. The machinery is working to everything that we were promised. Very much looks after the fruit in the manner that we need and is also a good fast pack for us. Our normal manual packing would usually take 10 people to do what this machine can now use as only 4 people with the same amount of result at the end. It's 2 times quicker than what we were doing manually. It's allowed us to share the savings back to our growers so that we can try and build business together. Customer service with JTech's great. Always responding within a great time frame and getting orders out for the packaging or giving us a time frame when the service guys can be here. The CBR is the machine that we first purchased through JTech. We've had that one for now 7 years, I think it was, and it's still going strong. We use it season in, season out since then. We pack through the CBR a lot of citrus, mandarins, oranges, lemons, for all Coles, Woolworths, Aldi lines, yeah. When we first put the first RO1 in, we were sort of a bit sceptical about how it will move into our already working processes, but once it was in, it was so obvious that it was going to be a great benefit to our business, and within 1 season of having that one, we've purchased the second one, and it's now in within the last couple of months and is working seamlessly. We've got now what we think is a one-stop shop, and we can handle anything to do with produce. My relationship with JTech is great. Always been openly spoken with them. They've always reciprocated in the same way. I don't see that there will be any change to that in the near future, and I hope that both businesses grow together. Murray Brothers definitely pride themselves in being genuine, and aligning with a company like JTech, it goes hand in hand as they're much the same.